Hello everyone, I'm going to send you this link, but this is how you can install a local desktop version of the whole MOODLE software for your computer. And it can run off your, of course you can't serve it to anybody else, but you can use it to back up MOODLE and back up your courses, to have a backup copy of everything you've done, because I'm sure you don't want to lose that. So anyways, there's a site, I'm going to send it out. It also has it for Apple if you're using a Mac. Okay, but the one that we're using is this one. It's MOODLE 3.8.3. So I'm just going to go over here and hit download zip. Okay, so that's downloaded now. I'm in Firefox, so I do Control J to go to my downloads folder. Here it is. Do you see that? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click this installer. I'm going to open it, and I've got WinZip program. You may have to get a WinZip program. There's a lot that we can explore if you want to look at that later. But here's the WinZip program. And I want to unzip my files to downloads. No, I want to choose another folder for me, but you can do to downloads if you like. And I'm all over the place, aren't I? Here we are. Okay, new folder. I like the new folder. And I don't have anything in it. Good. I'm going to go there. I can always rename this folder. So I'm going to unzip it here, and it's just going to go ahead and do that. All this dead air, I might have to stop recording and come back. Why don't I do that? I'll just wait until this is unzipped. Okay, mine's unzipped. Yours might look different with your zip program, but it's basically, this is where it unzipped it to downloads. Okay, so once you're in the downloads, you can just you can read all this, but it makes a server on a local server right on your computer. So I'm just going to start MOODLE. And we wait for that to start. And it does all of this, and you're going to allow it access. Okay, we'll do that. Oh, there we are. We're okay. Give it a chance. Okay, once it starts running, this is in that README file. Okay, once it starts running, if you go into where you've saved it, this is that README file. You want to open that up, and it tells you how to run it, how to start it. So it says from the browser, whatever browser I'm using. I'm just going to go like that. I'm going to copy that. And that's what I want to run from my browser, and I'm going to run it from Firefox. Doesn't matter what browser you use. Paste that. Whoops. There we are. And I'm just going to press enter, and that should start because my MOODLE's running, my local one. See if that works. Please work. Yes, it's saying I can install it. So I'm going to go next. Next, just accept everything. Okay. Next. So once it all installs and gets ready, you can go continue. Takes some time because it's setting up for the first time. It's just going to make sure everything's there. It does this when you actually installed it as well. And it's going to go through this. I'm going to let it happen. I'm going to pause the recorder while I do that. Okay, once everything is downloaded and ready to go, it'll end with this continue button. You just press the continue button. Yeah, it happens automatically, really fast. Okay, that might take a little bit of time, but once everything's installed, it'll go to this final installation page. And your username, you can be anything you want. I just leave mine as admin, but you can change it if you want. You click a password, and if you want to see that password, oh, let's get all fun, fancy, rough. Here we are. You see that? Whoop. Rough stuff. What? Rough. I can't spell today. Stuff. Rough stuff. How's that? Now if I forget it, I can ask you. Okay, so rough stuff, my admin name is admin, and we just leave everything the same. Update profile. And make sure you write it down. I always forget to write these things down, and then I go, what was my password again? As long as it's got your email in there, it can work. Oh, am I missing something? Oh, email address. There you go. So this is going to be, I'm going to go my work email, or you can use a personal email, at burnabyschools.ca. That's what I was missing. Oh, I have to have, yeah, we haven't changed anything, so we have to follow these things. We have to have at least one uppercase character. I'll make that S and stuff uppercase, and 1 digit. It's only you that is going to see this because it's on your computer. Okay, edit. I've got a password generator. You could just ignore that. So I make rough stuff 2. How's that? Rough stuff 2. That should work. Oh, there you go. Passwords must have at least one non-alphanumeric character, such as those. So let's change it again. So I can click anything. How about the pound symbol? No, it's my password remember. Let's see if that works. Okay, I should have changed the time zone and all that. I can do that later though. But my site name, it's David's Rough Stuff. Okay, and let's go DRS. And then you can give a summary and all that. Oh, here you can change the time zone. So we want, oh, there's Toronto. There's Vancouver. I'll choose that one. Okay, and I'm going to save change it. Okay, once you get in there, it's going to show you around the dashboard and all of that. You've seen these when you've logged in. Shows you what your dashboard is next. But I'm not going to go through this. I'm just going to end the tour. And this is ready for us to start uploading our courses, and I'll show you that in another video.